Okay, so I'm making this video based on demand, and this is about how to use the Shortcut app to create a bookmark for your favorite channels, pages, and websites. With this type of shortcut, you can easily open your favorite channels on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter pages with a one-touch click. Well, the reason why I created this type of shortcut is to go straight to a channel or to a page I want to view without getting distracted by other contents, especially on X or Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. For example, I usually open this very YouTube channel once I get up from sleep. In order to avoid distractions on YouTube, I simply tap on the shortcut link and it will take me straight to the channel. This also goes to this very page on Twitter or X if I want to see the latest transfer news without getting distracted with other contents on X. I use the shortcut link and head straight to the guy's page on X or Twitter. This also applies to your favorite websites. You can choose to add their links to a shortcut instead of using an app bookmark option. So let me show you how you can create this type of shortcut links, and I tell you it's so easy. Get started by opening the Shortcut app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the plus icon and tap on Search or Search Actions. Enter Choose from Menu. You will see the option, go ahead and select it. The next thing to do is to add names or titles for the links. Let me use these channels, Inside Edition, Laughs Gags, and Arsenal Football Club as an example. Where it says 1, I will change it to Inside Edition. Where it says 2, I will change it to Laughs Gags. And where it says Add New Items, I will tap on the option and enter Arsenal. I can still add up to 20 names, but let me use these 3 as an example. Next thing to do is to tap on Search or Search Actions depending on your iPhone software version. Enter Open URL. You will see the option. Go ahead and tap on the option. Look below, tap on where it says Menu Result. Tap on Clear Variable. Copy the channel link, be it YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or maybe a website link. Now paste the link on where it says URL. After pasting the link, move the link right below the text name. For example, I will move the Inside Edition YouTube channel link right below where it says Inside Edition. Again, tap on Search or Search Actions and enter Open URL. Tap to select Open URL. Tap on Menu Result and tap on Clear Variable. Copy the link for the second channel or page you're adding. Mine will be Laughs Gags. Tap on URL and paste the link right there. Next is to move the link right below the text name. So I will move the Laughs Gags YouTube link to right below the text name, Laughs Gags. I will use the same process to add the third link. Remember, you can add as many links as possible. Once you're done, tap on this very icon below to add to home screen. You can use icon or image. Select your preferred icon and color. You can rename the shortcut to anything you want and hit on the add button. The shortcut will be added to your home screen. You can navigate to your favorite channels or pages with openings the social app or browser app. So easy to set up and works flawlessly. Like I said, I use this shortcut if I want to avoid distractions while trying to go to my favorite channels on YouTube, X, Facebook, TikTok, etc. And that's all I have for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.